Yes, it's that favourite time of the day. Once again, welcome to SirToshi's Bitcoin Chart Show. This is the Bitcoin forecast, the strength of the system, the health of the network, where we find out what's up with what is going down. Today's date is Wednesday, the 19th of October, 2022. Without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. Buy BSV.live, the best place to buy Bitcoin SV online, the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin. Here we go, rock and roll. Oops, let me just fix that. Let's try and whiz through this show as quickly as possible. There we go, that's more like it. Okay, so we've got Coolcoin BTC SegWit protocol with a fundamental value of precisely 0, currently with a speculative price of 19,165. That's going to hurt. We've got Bcrash 108. What a joke. We've got Fisher Price Cash. Who cares? But then we've got Bitcoin. The original protocol goes right back to the Genesis block. It hasn't changed, making it the real Bitcoin, the true Bitcoin, the genuine Bitcoin, and the world's first and only ever digital commodity, backed by the value of data sovereignty, making it the most valuable commodity on Earth because it's an extension of our own personal freedoms and sovereignty. And a commodity protocol can only be created with a fixed supply, lock protocol, infinite scale, economic competition, and a chain of digital signatures for common accountability. And those 5 principal constructs are only in place on the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin that now has the ticker symbol BSV. Oh yeah. So the most valuable commodity on Earth, yours today for just $48. We got hash rate, whoa, 0.07. Let's just check this out. What is going on there? Well, it looks like the hash rate is actually remaining the same and going up slightly. So it just might be going up on BTC maybe. Network nodes 0.47, so that's the mining operations. Transactions though 91.03. That's in comparison to the alternative coins on the Bitcoin network. Let's have a look at that comparatively on the entire market. Look at that, 52.3% of the entire volume of transactions comparatively to the 20,000 alternative protocols on the shitcoin market. Phenomenal. So yeah, transactions 91.03, block size 95.72. Block size is the data being uploaded onto the network. Remember, these are data management networks. No data, no use case. These are ghost chains. You can see the chain is there, but there's hardly anything on them. So the block size is the data being uploaded onto the network. The data is uploaded via the transactions. The transactions are processed by the nodes that create blocks and supply the hash rate. The hash rate is attracted to the value, which is meant to be representative of the price, but the price is currently speculative because nobody has a clue what Bitcoin really is. But when education catches up with speculation, you can ensure that these speculative prices will soon start to match their fundamental values, meaning BTC 0, Bcrash 0, Fisher Price Cash 0, it's almost there anyway, and BSV, well, just look at the size of the markets that it can take. Yes, indeed. Let's have a look at these blocks. Look at these beautiful blocks. Modest sizes. So no sort of like massive gargantuan blocks in between zero blocks, but all really, look at that, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, looking very healthy there. Okay, let's have a look at some of these charts on the onesie. There we go. Right, hash rate follows price, follows value, follows utility, follows creativity, initiative, and intelligence. If you are intelligent and you apply creativity and initiative, you can make something useful. When something is useful, it can then create value. When it creates value, it can then develop a price. When it develops a price, it can then be measured against the cost of other goods and services and used as a medium of exchange. If something is useless, it is worthless. It's as simple as that. Something is useful, it's valuable. That's the way it goes. So it looks like hash rate on BTC is actually going up and hash rate on BSV is going down. That would mean it would be more profitable to mine. Very good. We'll have a look at that in just a second. Proof of work by network, again, it's all coming over to Bitcoin because it's the only way to commoditize data. Look at this, what a joke. It is currently 50,654 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than Corecoin. It's currently 1.4% more profitable to mine on SV. We'll take that. Daily average Bitcoin block size by network. Look at that, even though it's dipped a little bit, it's still absolutely smashing it considering this is on a log curve, so it's not actually proportionate. Daily bit, actually, let's have a quick look at this. Proportionally on a linear curve. This should be quite interesting. Look at that. Oh, brilliant. Same again, transactions by network, transactions per block by network. Fees, this is cost per transaction, that's sub-cent fees. Look at these Satoshis right down there. That is the health of the network, and it's still more profitable to mine. Daily Bitcoin fee to block reward ratio. So the solid red line there will be representative of the blue line here as the block reward continues to get cut in half. Over 210,000 blocks, the block fee will eventually surpass the block reward, and then we have an economically self-sustaining system, which is what we are gunning for. Let's have a look at daily Bitcoin, daily accumulated Bitcoin blockchain growth by now. Where are we at? 7 terabytes, something like that. Where are we? 7.2 terabytes. Absolutely enormous. Storming ahead. Global hash rate 7 days. Interesting. Other miners 2.31. Global hash rate 24 hours. Cool coin hash rate 24 hours. So again, it's going to look similar to overall hash rate because there's like 90% on there. B crash, what a joke, honestly, who cares? Fisher Price, that looks like chain death is about to happen because it's constantly more profitable to mine, so via BTC will just keep on mining or adding hash rate to the network until there is nobody competing with them, which means you have a centralized network and then it's utterly worthless. The moment via BTC take the hash rate away, the chain is dead. And the reason this is happening is because there is no value being added to the network. The network has to increase in value in order to attract more and more miners onto the network. When the chain is not having any more value being added to it through utility, this is what you get. You get a chain death. It is a stagnant network. Utter rubbish. This is Bitcoin though, so other miners giving Tal some breathing room. This is why we've got some nice juicy blocks flowing through there. Great stuff. But the reason other miners is keeping profitability at bay is because we don't want any shitcoin enterprises on the chain. And the reason we don't want any shitcoin enterprises on the chain is because the only thing they understand is dollar worshipping, which leads on to price manipulation, which we will look at now in the short positions. Let's have a look at this. And so the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin, just because it's now got a different ticker symbol, traders are now giving it a short ratio of 90%. Longs are going up there though. Normally I was like 91, 92, so that's looking promising as we approach the court date, the 8th of November, which is when we're expected the Hodler result. That will be three cases, one after the other. So we've had the Ara Kleiman case, Pete McCormack case, and now the Hodler case. 3 is a maxim of law. Very exciting times. Let's have a look at SegWit Protocol. Remember, this coin has only been around since the 24th of August 2017, and yet because they've stolen and socially engineered control of the ticker symbol, traders are now giving a short ratio of just 2%. Oh dear, they're going to get wrecked. So for any newbies, these are the mining operations. This is the backbone to the new global financial system, the world's first ever commercial internet. Blows my mind every time. Let's have a look at Chainalytics. Look, they've delisted Bitcoin because it was smashing all of these shitcoins out of the park. As we will see now in Coin Carbon Cap. No! Oh! Look at this. This was insane. This was like 362,000 transactions per megawatt hour the other day. And now they've got a question mark next to it. Oh, look at that. They're too embarrassed about the figures. Oh, my goodness. I wish I'd recorded that now. Scaling test networks. So biggest block 4 gigabytes. We've had a 1.5 in the last 24 hours. Very good. BSV data, here we go. Protocol data size, Meta ID producing 1.9. That was like 35 the other day. Interesting. See what's going on. Run protocol just 473,000. It's gone down a bit. That's all right. Let's have a quick look at this. Yeah, so it looks like they tailed off. Wow. So CryptoFi has gone down. That's 478,000. Senti has taken the lead. 776,000 transactions over a 24-hour period. Absolutely huge. CryptoFi still producing 936 megabytes. Yeah, very impressive. Nothing on Trends.cash. CryptoQuant. Oh, look at the exchanges still cashing out. They don't want to be holding that shit. This is all exchanges. BTC reserves. This is what they're holding liquidity in. They're getting rid of it while it's still got value. What's on chain? So we've currently got 32,000 transactions in the memory pool. With the memory usage at 6.44 gigabytes, very good. And we've had 2,414,688 transactions over the last 24 hours. The Whale wallet still got 907,000 Bitcoin in there. My goodness me, that is the largest privately owned wallet, I think, in history because the Tulip Trust is in a trust. It's not privately held. I mean, that is absolutely staggering. The morning run. What's going on here? There used to be some figures that were quite interesting. Okay. What happens if we click on that? About blank. Oh, right. Okay. But I'm not really a fan of that. Okay, never mind. So let's have a look at Live Coin Watch. So we've currently got a market cap of $947 billion, just under $1 trillion. Core coin BTC, trade volume 4.3, market cap $369 billion. Price trending sideways. Yep. Let's have a look at the coins on the market then. So we have still got 7 stable coins in the 3 stable coins in the top 7. Cryptos by market cap. What a joke. They are absolute pieces of dog shite. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. So trade volume 1.8. People are holding strong. Look at that. Price going down and then back up again. Beautiful. Currently priced on the way down. We've got $1.7 million worth of bids versus $2 million worth of asks. Green is demand. Red is sales. Here we go. So have a look at the price on CoinDesk. Yeah, all right, trending sideways. Let's have a look at Core Coin, BTC, Segwit Protocol. That's in the red as well. Trending downwards. And Ethereum also trending downwards. Would you believe it? CoinGecko, how are we feeling about it today? Feeling good. 81%. We'll take that. Tether Weather. Let's have a look, see what's going on here. The most interesting one is market cap. Oh yeah, they've still been printing more. Look at that. Desperate to keep Core Coin BTC relevant. It's the only way to keep the price up. Just keep pumping that crap. Beatrix, this is a BSV, green candles there. Let's have a look at BSV versus BTC, trending sideways, holding its own, nicely done. Let's have a look at BTC versus USD, going down like a sinking ship. Coinbase, so yeah, down 80%. Again, that was the directors just literally dumping on all their investors. Nice. MicroStrategy down almost 60%. Speculators in the market wouldn't touch that with a barge pole. Check it out. So we've now had 9,783 views of Silverfish. That'll be exciting when it gets to 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm looking forward to 16,000 views. Yeah, then we'll get some real traction. Again, you can, I've timestamped all the different sections of the movie so you can find out what's going on in the world today. There we go. That is a 12-minute show. Hope you enjoyed it. As ever, be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.